Hello. Hello, everyone. Am I audible? Hello. Am I audible, guys? Am I audible, guys? Hello. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. So great, I am audible. Good evening, Juhi. Good evening, Sangam. Good evening, Rajeshwari. Koka, good evening. Good evening. First of all, welcome to this amazing bootcamp, day 4 of this amazing bootcamp on generative AI and prompt engineering. Good evening, Naveen, Chaitanya. So, Prashant will be in today's lecture, in day 4, we will be making our Telegram chatbot. We will be seeing the how to make the base Telegram chatbot. Okay, how can we get the certificates? So just fill out the attendance form daily, and at the end of the fifth day, you will get a small assignment, and you have to complete that assignment to get your certificates. Good evening, everyone. Okay, great. So shall we begin with the session, guys? Hello, everyone. Hello. Good evening. So, are you guys ready for the amazing day 4 of this bootcamp? Today, we will be making the chatbot. It will not take more than one or 2 days. Like the assignment will be based on this bootcamp only. Okay, so let us just begin with the bootcamp. So, is my screen visible, guys? Is my screen visible, guys? Reply in the chat. Come on. There are not questions, but you have to make the chatbot only for this. We can say the assignment. The all the coding that we are doing here, you have to do it by yourself and submit that. So my screen is visible. Great. So let's just go to VS Code. So this is our VS Code environment till now. Okay. Till now, what we have done, we have created a. First of all, we have seen how can we use the LLM models through Grok API. First of all, we have seen how can we use the LLM models. Hello, guys. I'm audible, right? Good evening, everyone. Guys, I'm audible, right? Great. So yes, first of all, we have seen how can we make our how can we use the LLM models through Grok API. So can you please explain this once more? Yes. First of all, we have imported chat Grok from langchain underscore Grok. So this langchain underscore Grok is a library which supports this chat Grok function, we can say. And through the help of this chat Grok function, we can call any model. Right now, I have called this Gamma 29BIT model. And one more important thing, guys, that I have to tell you, that while doing the Hugging Face. Okay, I will cover it when we will go to the Hugging Face part. Okay, let's just focus here right now. I have used the model Gamma 9B IT. This 9B over here means it is trained on 9 billion parameters. If you guys want to use any other model, you can just go to Grok and you can select any model. Just yes, here are many models that you can select. I have currently used this Google Gamma 2 9B IT model, but if you guys want to like a better model, you can use Llama 370B 8192 as it is trained on 70 billion parameters, or any other model you want, like DeepSeek model, this one, as it is also trained on 70 billion parameters. You guys can use any model you want. Yes, you can make the model through Grok as a .py file as well. So let's do one thing. So the Telegram bot that we are going to make, we will make with the help of Grok, not Hugging Face. Okay. So you guys can, in the similar way, like I'm making for the Grok, you guys can go and make it with the help of Hugging Face as well. Okay. So yes. So which is the most powerful of these? So the model which is trained on more and more parameters can be the best model, we can say. As like it's a very common rule. The more bigger the data set, the more chances you can train a better model, or you can get a better accuracy, we can say. So obviously this is trained on 70 billion parameters. It is a like huge amount of data set. So it is a very great model. Right now I am using a very stable normal types of model, that is Gamma 2 9BIT. Okay. So yes, this is how we have used the Grok API, and we have used the chat prompt template. Chatbot template is used to give the system message and the user message. Like the system tells our AI model or the LLM model like what kind of task we have to perform. Okay. So we have used .py file as well. Prashant, we have used .py file as well. Okay. So let's move on. Then we have used the string output parser, which is used to display our output in a much better way. And we have created a chain over here. What is this chain, sir? In this chain, any of our, like, first of all, we will be using this prompt that we will be giving the system message and the user message. We will be telling our LLM model that this is what you have to do, or this task you have to perform. Okay. Then after that, our model, what kind of model we are using. Here I am using Gamma 29BIT. Okay. This Gamma 29BIT. And I have used my Grok API key as well. This is very important, guys. This Grok API key over here is very important to mention. And in the chain, we have used our output parser. So whenever we will be trying to invoke our chain, like this, we will try to invoke our chain, we will get an output. Okay. Okay, so then with the help of Hugging Face as well, we have seen how can we make our model. So this is with the help of Hugging Face. Now, sir, there's one important thing you want to tell us. Yes. So this Hugging Face API, this Hugging Face API key, or this Hugging Face token, we can say, in our .env file, we are using this Hugging Face token, right? So there is a particular amount of, we can say, free trial. Like only this much times you can access this token in a month through Hugging Face, or you can access the Hugging Face models only this much time in a month. So that is a very major, like we can say, drawback as well. Like it is like around, if I would say, approximately 30 to 50 times it access you the hit that you can make the request and get use the LLM models and everything. But after 50 times, if you want to still use that Hugging Face model, you have to pay for it. Else, you will get extra free trials the next month. Okay. So that is why this is a drawback of Hugging Face as well. Like if you want to constantly use that model, you have to pay for it. So this is not kind of free. You can only use this model 30 to 50 times per month. Okay, so where was the Hugging Face API URL gotten from? Nasir, you are talking about this Hugging Face token or this Hugging Face API? Okay, so moving forward. So that is why we also be using Grok, because Grok is completely free, and in Hugging Face, the API. So yes, this API is used for accessing the Hugging Face model. Like suppose I am currently using this Hugging Face H4 Zephyr 7B beta. If you guys want to use any other model, you guys can go to Hugging Face. Just go to Hugging Face and like go to models over here, and there are tons of model over here. You can see many models. Some models are for text generation, some are for image text to text, and some are for text to image and everything. So there are many models. Any model you want to use, just go to that. This is for text to audio. Okay, I'm not going to use this model, I'm just showing you. Just go to any model. You can also read how to use the model steps. Okay, and if the model allows the API structure, just copy this, go to your VS Code and change it with this Hugging Face H4 the file assembly beta, and you will be able to use that particular model if that model allows the API inference. Okay, so this is, we can say, general API. This one till this, a general API to use any model, and after that you have to mention your model. Okay, wait. So yes, in this Hugging Face testing, we have used first of all we have loaded all the environment variables, all the API keys, we can say. Then we have set up the Streamlit app, and we have set the topic and everything, this prompt over here. Then our LLM model, like which kind of model we have to use, and we have set the HF token as well. Then we have set the output parser, created the chain over here. These steps are similar with Grok and the, we can say, Hugging Face, both same. Okay, then we have used our Streamlit to show our answer. Okay, this is with the Hugging Face. Is the Grok, how to use the Grok LLMs and Hugging Face LLMs clear? How can we use the Grok models and LLM models? Is this clear, guys, till now? Perplex, what perplexity? Okay, perplexity also gives us many kind of LLM models and everything. You guys can go and check that as well. Okay, so clear, great. So now we'll be making a Telegram chatbot. So I'll be creating one more folder with the name app.py. Okay, so this is my app.py. And before creating a Telegram chatbot, I have to install one more important library, that is Python Telegram bot. Okay, so I will quickly save my requirements.txt. Sorry, what is this? Not open because file was not found. We leave this. So yes, I will quickly save my file, and I will go to my terminal. I will open my command prompt. I will first of all, this is very much important. Always activate your environment. Okay. So for you guys, the statement to activate your environment is denv/scripts/activate. Okay. This is the command for you guys to activate your environment if you have created your environment in the normal way. As I have created my environment with the help of Anaconda, I will be simply using Conda activate vdnv slash. Okay, so you guys can see I have activated my environment over here. Now, sir, what to do? First of all, I have to install this new library that I have mentioned here, Python Telegram bot. So I will quickly write pip install -r requirements.txt. Okay, and maybe I have installed this library before in my environment because of the testing purpose. That's why it's showing me requirement already satisfied. But when you will be going to run this, it will be downloading this particular library. Okay, I have already installed it for the testing purpose only, so that is why it's there in my environment. But you guys can install this. Okay, great. Let's go to app.py. Now, before moving to the code directly, there's one more important step that we have to do. You guys have to go to your Telegram. Okay, just go to your Telegram and search for this bot father. Just ignore this conversation right now. Okay, I will tell you what this is about. Just go to your bot father. Okay, go to Telegram and search for bot father. In this bot father, give the start command /start. Now you guys can see I can help you create and manage Telegram bots. If you are new to the bot API, please see the manual and you can control by sending these commands: new bot, my bots, and everything. Okay. So bot father, we are using bot father to get the API for our chatbot and to create a new chatbot. Okay. So right now I have to create a new bot. So instead I will be giving a command new bot, and all right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So now I have to give a name to my bot. Can you guys suggest me any name for my bot? Can you guys suggest me any kind of name for my bot? Telegram chat bot. The Mystic Joe, great. Chat dev bot, and fuck it. So let's keep the name, suppose Joker Mind, dev bot, Sindhu, AI Rana, Laughing Buddha, Funny PY. So let's get the name binary joke. Okay, this binary joke is great. So let's keep it binary joke for now. Binary joke. Okay. So I'm choosing this binary joke bot. So I will keep the name binary joke, or I will say binary joke bot. Okay. Good. Now I have to create a username for my bot. Okay. And it must end with the bot. So I will try to take this only, binary underscore joke underscore bot. So if this if the username must be unique. So if this username is unique, I will be assigned this username. So yes, this is unique. So this is showing me done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will be find it here. So I have got a new bot, and it gave me a the we can say the link to my new bot as well. And the most important thing, here we have got the token for our new bot. Okay, here we have got the token for our new bot. So I will quickly copy this code, copy this API or this token, and I will add this token in my .env file with the name, suppose uh, Telegram API key, and I will paste this. Okay, you guys can also go and make your own API key through this bot father. So I have successfully saved my .env file as well. So this is how you can go and make your own API through the Telegram bot further. Now let's move on to the coding part. So what do we have to write in this app.py now? So first of all, we will be importing all the necessary libraries. So the first library that we are going to import is OS, that is the operating system library. The second library we will be importing RE. Now sir, what is this RE? This RE over here means regular expression. So what is this regular expression over here now means? Like suppose I have to extract some kind of text from a string or anything, some kind of particular text. So I will be using the library regular expression. Whenever I have to deal with text and everything, strings, this regular expression library is very much helpful. And this is the operating system. Okay, sir. The next library that we have to import is import. Sorry, not import, but from.env. I will be importing load_.env. Okay, this .env over here is used to extract the API keys through this .env file. Great. Now for the next library. The next library is the Telegram. From Telegram, I will be importing update and update, and similarly from telegram.txt I will import application, command handler, command handler. Next library that we are going to use is message handler. The next library is filters, and the final library that we are going to import from Telegram is context types. These are the important libraries that we have to import from Telegram. So these libraries are basically used to control the flow of our bot. Like this application is used to create the bot and everything. Command handlers and message handlers are used to handle all the commands and messages and everything. And context types and update to update everything and all. Okay. So these all libraries are very much important to handle our Telegram bot. Is this clear, guys? Then the next library that we are going to import is from LangChain _ Grok. So I am using the Grok API. I am using Grok LLM model. That's why I'm using Grok. If you want to use Hugging Face, you can go with the Hugging Face part. So I want to use Grok in my Telegram bot, so I'm using Grok. I will import chat Grok. Okay, sir. Next library that I have to import is from LangChain _ code.prompt. I will be importing chat prompt template. This chat prompt template you already know to give the system and user messages. And the final library that I have to import is from LangChain _ code. I would say output parcel. Output _ parcels. I will be importing the library string output parser. So these are the basic libraries that I will be importing. Okay, and the final step is load underscore dot env. This is very much important with the brackets. Till now, everything clear, guys? What all types of libraries we have imported? If everything clear till now, just write clear in the chat quickly, okay? Everything clear till now? What all types of libraries we have imported? Come on, guys, quick, quick, quick. Great, great, great. Prashant, Nasir, Yashika, Ashna, Rafsan. Great, great. Ring, bits, hoops. Okay, so let's move forward. Till now, everything clear? Great, crazy mate, Nathan, Jyoti, great. So till now, everything is clear. So let's move forward. Hello? Yeah, I'm audible, right? Great, everything is clear till now, great. Vimal, Ukasha, Juhi, Krishna, Bunny, Rajeshwari. Great, everything clear. Moving forward. Okay, sir, we have imported all the necessary libraries and we have loaded our .env. Now, sir, what to do? Now I have to, the next step, if you guys remember in this Hugging Face testing, the next step is this same. I have to import all these APIs. So I'll just simply copy this and paste this in my app.py. So there is no need for my Hugging Face token because I'm going to use Grok. So I will remove my Hugging Face token. LangChain API key is very much important. LangChain tracing v2 is very much important. This LangChain tracing v2 is used to trace what all types of inputs we give, what all types of output we get, how our chains are working, what is the lagging time and everything through Langsmith. Okay, I have shown you guys maybe in the last lecture or in the last session, that is yesterday, that we can check Langsmith for all of our conversations and everything. So yes, here's my Telegram joke bot project, and you can see each and every like everything we have searched and anything through this Langsmith v2 tracing. Okay, sir. Then we have this project over here, the second line. Then third thing that we have to use is Grok API. So I will be calling it directly Grok underscore API underscore key equal to os dot get env, and I will be mentioning Grok API key. So I've used my Grok API key over here. Okay, sir. Now I will be creating a function. I will be creating a function to set up my chain. Okay. So I will give it the name setup LLM chain. So this is the name of my function. And I will give a random topic, suppose topic equal to technology. So why are you giving this topic technology? Like we have to take the topic from the user, right? You will get it soon. Okay, why I'm using this technology over here. So in my function set LLM chain, the first thing that I want to do is set up my prompt. The prompt equal to chat prompt template. I will be using my chat prompt template. I have called this chat prompt template above dot from underscore messages. Okay, guys, and I will be mentioning my chat prompt over here, like the message from the system and the user message, everything. First of all, the system message. Suppose I will take the system message as uh, you are joking AI. Okay, and give me only one funny joke on the given topic. Okay, so this is the prompt I am giving it through the system. I will giving my LM model through the system. And the second thing, I will be using the user prompt. So user, and the prompt must be I will use a doc string over here. Okay, generate a joke on the topic, and I will be giving the topic over here. Okay guys, clear this prompt over here. First of all, I have given the system prompt that you are a joking AI, give me only one funny joke on the given topic, and second is the user prompt. So after my defining my chat prompt template, I will be defining my LLM model. So LLM is equal to, I am using chat Grok, and the model I will be using is, I am using the same model, that is Gamma 2 9B IT. So I'll be using the same model, Gamma 2 9B and IT. So I quickly check my model, like this is the correct name, right? Maybe somewhat here I have used some model. So yes, Gamma 2 9B IT. So I've used the correct name. And the second thing I am going to define in my LLM is my Grok API. Grok underscore API underscore key is equal to Grok API key. As I've taken the Grok API key from here, this, and I have stored it in Grok API key. So I can simply call my API key through Grok API. Okay, so this is how we have set up our LLM. And I have to set up my that string output parser as well. So output underscore parser equal to string output parser. So this is my string output parser. Or instead I can do one more thing without defining my output parser. I can simply do return prompt chain LLM chain. I can simply define it here. String str output parser. Okay, so this is my chain over here that I am returning my chain. Till now everything clear guys? How I have set up my LLM chain over here in the function setup LLM chain. First of all, I have imported all the necessary libraries. Then I have set up my API keys and everything. Then I have created a function with the name setup LLM chain, where I have set up my LLM chain over here. Till now everything clear? Clear, great. So till now everything is clear. Okay, moving forward. So what is the next step now? So in the next step, we will be defining one more function, and this time this is a little different function. So we will be defining an asynchronous function. Okay, so what is this asynchronous function? Like you can say this is a little bit better version of a normal function. Like how do I explain it? Suppose in the Just give me 1 minute. I will just quickly think of an example to explain you guys in a better way. Yes, suppose in the normal function, suppose in this normal function, if I will put a delay, if I will put a delay of 5 seconds, okay, suppose in a normal function, if I will put a delay of 5 seconds, so what will happen? Sir, the normal function will call. It will first of all wait for 5-second delay, and the rest of the problem statements and the rest of the commands will call them after the delay of 5 seconds. But in the case of an asynchronous function, if I will first of all, let me just write the function over here. Okay, so asynchronous def start. This is my start function, and I will be writing update is equal to update, and just give me 1 second, guys. I will be quickly writing the function first of all. Context is context types dot default default underscore type, and I will be mentioning the function here. Okay, so yes, what I was telling is, suppose I add a 5-second delay in my normal function. So what will happen? First of all, my function will call this setup LLM chain. Then, sir, after that, it will take a 5-second break. Okay, sir. And after 5 seconds, it will then move on to the prompt. It will execute the prompt, then LLM, then this return statement. So it will execute the further commands after this delay of 5 seconds. But under this asynchronous function, if I will add, we can say if I will add a delay of 5 seconds, and the next statement, suppose I have here print hello world. So what will happen in this asynchronous function then? This asynchronous function will not wait for this 5-second delay. It will see that this step is taking a little bit time. It will leave this step to work in the background, and it will move forward and execute this. So it will not wait for the 5-second delay. Whereas as in a normal function, we can say it will wait for the execution of this 5 seconds and then it will move forward. But in the case of this asynchronous, it will not ignore, but this line, this 5-second delay will run in the background. Until then, the further statements will be executed. Okay, so it will not wait for 5 seconds. Is this clear? What is the difference between asynchronous and normal functions? The attendance link will be given to you guys after the we can say at the end of this session. So don't just spam attendance link in the chat, live chat. Okay. Is this clear? What is the very basic difference between asynchronous function and the normal function? Like this is a very basic difference. Like I'm not explaining in very deep. So moving forward. So I will just remove this delay and everything. This is just for the explanation part. And I will remove this delay over here. Okay. So great. So now what is this update and context type dot default type? So this is for the every time we send a message to all whenever we will start our function. Like how can I tell you? So this will be like I can be able to more I will be able to what we can say explain you in a better way while doing the practical of this. Okay, like what is the start function over here, sir, and what will be the other function that I will be writing. This will I can explain you in a more better way while doing the practical. Like once our bot is created, then I can tell you what does the start over here mean and what does this update and context type everything mean. So let's just create the bot first of all. So the next thing that we will be giving here, is await. Now, sir, what is this await? Whenever you are using this asynchronous function, you will always use this await as well. Okay, so await, and I will be giving update dot message dot reply underscore text. So like any message, like whenever we will give the start command. Okay, I will show you one thing. Like over here, I have given a start command, right? Over here, I have given a slash start command, right? So this function of mine, start, is denoting the same start command in my bot. Like whenever I will give this start command, it will reply with a text. So what kind of text? It will reply with a text. Suppose I'm giving the text like hi and mention me with a topic like the name that we have given to our bot was I forgot the name actually. The name we have given is binary joke bot, right? Like at the rate binary joke bot. Okay, sorry, not in double inverted commas. It will be in single. Yes, at the rate binary underscore joke underscore bot. Okay, and you will give me a topic like Python. So I'm telling whenever the user just enter the start command over here. Whenever the user will enter the start command over here, I will return a message to him. What will be the message? The message will be hi, mention me with a topic like this to get a tech joke. I will just simply write to get a I will simply write to get a joke. So whenever the user will mention that slash start command, this message will be displayed to them. Okay. In this similar way, whenever the user will be using the like, as you can see, there are many commands here, right? Like my new slash new bot slash my bot slash set name slash set description. There are many commands over here. I have used only single command, that is start. So I can also use many commands. Like if I want to create one more command, I will be creating it like I have used the start command, right? So I will create one more command with the name help. So I will be creating async start help. I will be creating a help command now. Okay, I will give it help underscore command. Okay, sir. So all of these parameters like update, context type dot default type, this will be same. I will just change the message over here, like await update dot message dot reply underscore text, and the message I will give this time. Suppose I will just remove this hi. Mention me with a topic like this, full stop, and or say comma to get funny jokes. Okay, so this is the help command I have set. Like there are many commands you can see in this bot father as well. In any Telegram bot, you can add multiple commands. So I have set till now two commands, that is the set command and this help command. But you guys can set many commands. Like there are many more commands here as well in this bot father as well. So like this, I use many commands. Is this clear? How are we setting our own commands in our Telegram chatbot? Is this clear, guys? How are we setting our own commands in the Telegram chatbot? If it's clear, then write clear in the chat quickly. Come on, guys, quick. Rafsan clear, Damini, Joey clear, Alibard, Prince, Giraldo, Dilip, Swern, Rafsan. Great. So till now everything is clear. How can we set our own commands? Okay, sir. Now what is the next step, sir? So the next thing that we have to do, I will create one more command over here. I will be making now. I will just quickly copy this only. Just a second. Okay, nothing. Yes. So I will just quickly copy this and I will paste. So I have to create one more command. That is, this time I will be creating generate joke. Generate underscore joke. So this is the new command I will be making now. So that is the one more thing that I will be using in this command parameter is topic. Okay, this topic over here is will be I'm setting the topic to string. So what does this generate joke will do? It will generate a joke on the given topic that I will give to my, we can say, Telegram joke. Okay, so I will use uh, under this I will be giving any other line. Suppose I will be giving generating a joke about, and I will give the topic over here. This must be a doc string first of all. Okay, so this is my new command, we can say generate joke. So first of all, whenever I will call this generate joke or whenever this generate joke will be called, so it will first show me a message generating a joke about this topic. Then what will it do? Then it will store the joke, like joke equal to, I will be using this setup underscore LLM underscore chain. So what is this setup underscore LLM underscore chain? I have defined my setup underscore LLM underscore chain over here. And I will be mentioning the topic here in the bracket, in the parameter, we can say. I will be giving the topic. Okay. So if there is no topic, it will randomly take the topic technology. So that is why I mentioned the topic equal to technology over here. So if we will pass no topic, it will randomly take the topic technology and it will generate a joke. Else, the topic we will provide, it will make a joke on that topic only. Okay, set up LLM chain. I will be setting the topic. And the next thing that we have to do is dot invoke. I will be invoking it. And as I have set up the topic over here, so I won't be it is not necessary to set up the topic again. And I will be using dot strip. So what is this dot strip over here? What is this dot strip over here? Suppose, for an example, I have a string like hello everyone. Hi. Okay, this is a string. I have this string. So as you can see, this is not a, you can say, very well managed string. There are a lot of spaces and uneven amount of space between each and every word. So dot strip function. So dot strip function. What will this dot strip function will do? This will adjust all of these extra spaces and will give me a normal command. Hello everyone. It will give me basically a true value and it will adjust all the spaces. Hello everyone. Hi. So it will remove all these spaces, extra spaces, and give me a proper command. So this is the use case of dot strip function. Okay, great. And after I've got the joke over here, I have to print my joke as well. Yes, sir. We have to print the joke as well. So I will quickly write await update dot message dot reply underscore text, and I will print the joke over here. So the joke is first stored in this joke over here, and then it will be printed over here. So first we will get the message generating a joke. Then we will generate the joke through this setup LLM chain, and then we will print the joke over here. This generate underscore joke function is clear to you guys? This generate underscore joke function is clear to you guys? Clear. Pretty much clear. Chalo, great. Let's go on. Now I have to create one more function, and the next function will be handle message. I'll just simply again copy this one. So like quickly paste this one. And the next function that I have to create is handle message. Now, sir, what will this handle message will do? Just give me a second and I will explain you. And this all the parameters will be same. And under this handle message, I'll first create a variable that is message equal to update dot message dot text. Okay, I have created this variable over here message, which is nothing but update dot message dot text. So wherever I have to use this update dot message dot text, I will just simply write message, and I will use bot underscore username. This is one more variable I am defining that will be used context dot bot dot username. This will be used to get the username. Okay, like whenever we have to use this context dot bot dot username, I will be simply writing bot underscore username. Okay, sir. Then if I will creating a doc string at the rate, and I will write the bot underscore username. So if I will mention the bot username, okay, if I will mention the bot username, I will get equal to sorry. If there is a bot username, if we have mentioned a bot username, where we have mentioned the bot username in message. If we have mentioned bot username with the help of this at the rate bot username in message over here, then sir, then what will happen? I will simply write, I will first check the username with the help of like I will create a variable match re dot search it will first of all check for the username. The username is like at the rate bot underscore username, and I will mention slash dash s plus dot star comma message. So now what is this? This re dot search bot username and everything. So what does this mean? So what is first of all what is this re over here? This re is nothing but regular expression. We have imported this re library over here. So this RE is nothing but regular expression. So what will it do? It will just check re.search, means it will search for the username, or we can say the bot username that either we have like mentioned our bot or not in the message we are, like in the message in which we will be giving the topic to my user, to my bot. It will first check the bot username, and then it will check for the topic, that either we have given the topic or not. Okay, so the next statement will be if match, and I've stored this in match. Okay, if match and match dot group of one dot strip, like if the username that I have used for my joke bot and the username that I have called is same, so this will just check this. Okay, like if both of the username are same or not, then it will generate me a joke. Await generate underscore joke. I am calling this generate underscore joke function over here. Okay, generate underscore joke, and I will be mentioning update. What all parameters I have to give? Update, context, and topic. Okay, so I will be giving update, comma, context, and the third topic is match dot group one dot strip. Okay, this is the topic. Like I have with an example, if I will try to explain you, like if I have taken at the rate, suppose the name is jokebot. Okay, I at the rate jokebot Python. This will extract this Python topic over here, and it will pass it in the parameter, because I need the topic over here, and I have mentioned a parameter with the name topic string. So this will extract this Python, this regular expression library will extract this Python topic over here, and it will send it as a parameter to my generate joke function. The generate joke function I have defined over here. Okay, and if there is no topic, if we have mentioned no topic, so the else statement will give await update dot message dot reply underscore text, and I will just simply give a message that is please specify a topic after mentioning me. Okay, so this function over here, so what does this function do? This function over here, this async def handle message, handles the message whenever we call our bot. So first of all, it will check for the bot username, then it will store the, we can say, the value that is this Python over here. If I mentioned the topic, it will store the topic that we have mentioned. Then if the topic is there, it will give that topic to my generate joke function as a parameter. And if there is no topic, so it will simply print update message dot reply text, please specify a topic after mentioning. This handle message is clear. Is this handle message clear, guys? Quickly reply in the chat. Is this handle message over there, over here, is clear? Is this handle message clear, guys? Come on. Clear. Great. So moving forward, we are now at the final step of our making the chatbot, we can say. Okay. So the final function, we will be creating dev main. That is our main function, in which we will be calling all of our functions. So first of all, I will be assigning the token. Token equal to, that is my Telegram bot token. I have stored my Telegram API key over here. I will be assigning this API key to say token equal to os dot get env, and I will quickly go to .env. I will quickly copy this name over here. I will go to app.py and I will paste this name over here. Okay. Okay, sir. We have used our API key. Then we will be using app is equal to application dot builder builder dot token, sorry, dot token, and under that I will be mentioning my token name in this token over here, dot build. This will be building my, we can say, uh, yes, this will be building my application, that is my joke bot. This application dot builder dot token dot build with the my own we can say API. Okay, sir, great. Now we will be adding the first function, that is app dot handler, sorry, app dot add underscore handler, and we will be adding a command handler, command handler, sorry, yes, command handler, and under the command handler we will be giving the name start. So whenever someone will mention with slash start, it will just call that start function, comma, start. So whenever someone will be using that slash start command, it will call my start function. And in the similar way, we will be adding the help command as well. So whenever someone will mention slash help, it will activate my help command, help underscore command. Then similarly, we will be adding a message handler. This time we will be adding a message handler, which will handle all of our message handler. And in this message handler, I will be writing, yes, in this message handler, I will first of all filter the message. So filters dot text and this not and filters dot command comma handle message. So this will handle my message. Whenever I will call my chatbot, this will handle my message. And the last thing we will be using is app dot run underscore polling. And in this run underscore polling, I will be adding allowed underscore updates equal to update dot all underscore type. So yes, we have successfully declared the main function as well. So what is this main function doing now? First of all, we have extracted the token over here from the Telegram API key. Then secondly, we have added, we have first of all created our bot. Then we have added two command handlers, that is our slash start and slash help. Like there are many functions like over here as well, right? Slash my app, slash new app, slash this app, and everything. So that is how we have used slash start and slash help. Then we have added a message handler, and then this is the last run polling command. So this is our main function. Now what we have to do? Nothing. We have to just call our main function. So if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equal to main underscore underscore. I will simply call main command. So my code is complete. I know you won't got this most of the Telegram part, but just try to uh, understand, or just try to get this a little bit if you can. Like, it is not possible to explain each and every command line of Telegram chatbot and everything. So I have tried my best actually. But till now everything clear? Yes, the lecture notes will be given to you guys shortly. Till now everything clear, guys? So I will just quickly run my Python app.py. I will quickly run my Python app.py. Okay, and just a second. Sorry, I have to save this first, and now I will run my Python. Okay, load underscore cannot import. Okay, I have used the wrong name. Load underscore .in, which is the name. Okay, I will quickly save it again, and I will run this again. So this is running now. I will just quickly go to my bot father and this bot URL that I have given. I'll quickly start it. So as you can see, this gives the /start command to my joke bot. And if I will just mention, suppose I'm mentioning at the rate, suppose I'm mentioning binary underscore joke underscore bot, and I mention Python. So this gives me the message generating a joke about Python, and here's the joke. Why did the Python programmer quit the job? Because they didn't get the arrays. Okay. So great, we have successfully created our joke bot, and as you can see, here are all the command messages as well that we have run. This is the output that we got and everything. So this is it for today's session, guys. Is everything clear to you guys? Yes, the notes will be provided for sure. So this is it for today's session, guys. Thanks a lot for attending today's session. You just have to do the end assignment and nothing else. The end assignment will be given in the group chat only. Okay, so just do that. So thanks a lot for joining this today's amazing session. This is it for today, and we have successfully created our Python joke bot. So I'll just try to use it again. Like I will mention at the rate binary joke bot, and I will be giving the topic. Say, okay, you guys tell me what topic should I give it. Any topic you guys want me to create a joke on through this joke bot. Okay, Java. Okay, let's just go with Java. Let's see any joke on Java. Generating a joke about Java. Why did the Java programmer quit their job? Because they didn't. Okay, it's the same kind of joke actually. So let's give another joke. Binary joke bot. So any other topic? Python, we have already created the joke. So let us just use maybe computers. Generating a joke on computers. Why did the computer get glasses? Because it couldn't see sharp. So yes, we have successfully created the job bot. Thanks a lot guys for attending today's session. We'll meet tomorrow on the same time, 7 o'clock for day 5. Okay? Thanks a lot guys for attending today's session. Thanks a lot.